It's Big Marv!
The World Wide Web, they call it internet, with different types of social media. Store the information sorta like encyclopedia.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Big Marv here, and I just wanted to tune in real quick, make a video showing you guys one of the new awesome plans that is now available on the WestNext platform. So I've been working with my man Kevin Leax. He runs the list building inner circle. They focus a lot on native ads and solo traffic and building a sustainable business running native ads and solo traffic. So I built a plan specifically for you guys that are inside the list building inner circle, or anyone that would like to use the WestNext platform and they don't need all the extra bells and whistles that come with the platform. So I want to create a quick video and show you guys how you can get signed up and utilize the platform. So first you're going to go to what'snextplatform.com, and then if you click sign up, you'll see there's a bunch of different plans. So the new plan here, the builder plan, it gives you access to the funnel builder, the website builder, and membership sites. Now I've already created an account for the purpose of this, so I will go ahead and log in and give you guys a tour of how to create your account. So once you create your account, you're going to be brought to the dashboard. Alright, so the first thing you got to do is add your business. This is what's going to give you access to your builder. So you just click add your business, and you're going to go through and just fill out the fields that are self-explanatory. What I want to point out is this down here. Now this plan, you don't get the SMS feature, so whether you select yes or no here, you're not actually going to be able to send text messages and voice drops from the back end. This is what I wanted to point out though, is select your business type. So you'll see there is now a Kevin Leax LBC, that's for the list building circle. So if you select this, it will preload your account with all of Kevin's funnels and automations that we set up for him. If you select one of these other ones, you'll get an account preloaded with one of these others. You know, the Wavemakers is my core program, Agent Lead Academy, that's my partnership with Belladonna Rizzo, who focuses on real estate agents, so that's fully loaded with real estate funnels and emails. And then Hint Marketing University, that is for my partnership with Jeff Caldwell and Hint Marketing University, that gives you all of the Hint Marketing University funnels and automations to promote CBD products. And then of course there's Kevin. So if you're joining from the inner circle, that is the snapshot you want to select, and you just hit submit and it will create your account. Once you create your account, you'll get an automated login to get into the account. So once you get logged in, this is what it'll look like, and then these are the funnels that it'll come preloaded with. So we're going to go over the LBC 1 funnel. So the first thing that you're going to have to do is add a form. Right, so I already created a standard form for you guys that's going to work. You know, you can use that one, the one that I added, or you can create your own. The one that I created for you just has an email field, so you select that form, and this will give you the opt-in. Right, now once you have the form in there, now to get it into your autoresponder, you have to webhook it into your autoresponder. So I already have a trigger set up here under LBC trigger. You go to triggers on the left, LBC triggers, you'll see LBC opt-in 1. So you can see form submitted, form is LBC 1, and then you'll see it's already set to execute webhook. So you need a Pro Zapier account to do this, but you can essentially webhook the data across to any autoresponder of your choice. So in this example, I will use Active Campaign because that's the other autoresponder I use. But if you have Aweber, if you have MailChimp, if you have Infusionsoft, Drip, Clavio, they all work. Right, so I'm just going to click Make a Zap, and then we're going to put Webhook by Zapier is the trigger that's going to trigger the event. Click Catch Hook, continue. It's going to give you a unique URL. Just copy that URL. You're going to paste it in here. You're going to hit Save, and then change this from draft to activate. So now this is active. So now if somebody submits the LBC1 form, it will send that data from the form over to the webhook. So now I'm going to show you guys how to test that. So if we go to LBC1, click this link here, it's going to bring up a preview. So I can click this. Maybe I can click this. Alright, it's not opening the pop-up. Let me find out what's going on. Oh, it's set to scroll to element. Alright, let me change open to pop-up. Save. And try that again. Alright, click this here. Here. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put an email in there. Alright, hit submit. See, it says thank you. So now if I click continue, it's going to say test trigger. It's going to catch that info that I just submitted. So you can see the email here. So you hit continue. And then, so now you can see this is where you would select whichever account. So now, since this is active campaign, I'm going to create an update contact. Select my active campaign account. Alright, so list, this is where you would select whichever list they're going to go onto. Let's just say Big Marv subscribers. Email address, so you can see catch hook. So any form or any form data you put in there, any input fields. So for example, when you go under marketing, you go to form builder. That's where you control the form and what shows up on the form. You would edit this form. So if you wanted their name, if you wanted their phone number, if you wanted their address, you know, anything that you wanted, you can even go to custom fields, create custom fields, you know, and get those custom fields webhooked over. Is completely up to you what fields. All of these fields will move over in a webhook. So right now, for the purpose of this demonstration, I've only webhooked the email, so that's the only data that I'm going to bring over. And then tag, you can tag them. So like this is the LBC1 funnel, for example. So I could tag them LBC1. So they go into active campaign with the tag of LBC1. You know, whatever tag you want to use will work there. These are all the custom fields that I have mapped inside active campaign. So if I wanted to create a custom form with all these custom fields pre-built in active campaign, I could do that and then map the data to it. And then you would just hit continue. I could test and it will send this contact over to active campaign. And then you just turn on the zap. And now every time that somebody submits this form, this trigger is going to run that webhook, and then this webhook will execute and do whatever you tell it to do. You can even do multi-step webhooks. So like for example, if you wanted it to go into your autoresponder and also, let's say, fire a pixel event, right? You can do Facebook offline conversions and make it fire the lead event. If you have a Google Sheet you want your leads to go into, you could do Google Sheet instead of an autoresponder. You can webhook that data into thousands of different zaps. So I mean, there's tons of different ways to use it. It's really onto you, your use case. The webhook is really powerful, and literally any data that you put on that form that you want to capture to move through the internet into whatever other platform you utilize, you can do that. This works with any of the forms or surveys that you build, you just build a trigger in the platform that says when the form is submitted, when the survey is submitted, when a cell is completed, whatever it may be, you would do the initiating trigger, and then the action you're taking is executing a webhook. Plug in the webhook from Zapier, and you're good to go. So, and then I guess the last thing I wanted to let you guys know, if you didn't already, is the builder plan is eligible for the commission program, the affiliate program with the What's Next platform. So any users that you bring on, you will earn 60% commission on those end users, and that's a recurring commission. So the builder plan in particular is $50 a month. As you guys can see, though, I have a couple different plans, so depending on what plan they get is going to depend on how much recurring commission you would make. And then to sign up for the affiliate program, you would just go to partners.whatsnextplatform.com, and you'll be able to create your account. Now, you do have to have an active account on one of these plans to be able to be an affiliate. And so once you submit that, we'll just verify that you have an account, approve your affiliate access, and boom, you're good to go. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys in the inner circle benefit from this. Been working with Kevin on this for a while. I know over time we're going to be adding more funnels and automations and things that you guys can use in there. So just stay tuned and see what we bring to you guys next. This is Big Marv. Thank you guys for tuning in. One love.